Today, I'm going to help you release yourself from your past. Any negative past experiences, limiting beliefs, things that have been holding you back from living the life of your dreams. I'm going to help you release that, any toxic energy, so that you can live a life that is amazing, beautiful, fulfilling, and gratifying. We often get stuck because we stick with what we know, no matter how uncomfortable that situation may be. We have fear of the future, of the unknown. Our brains are hardwired to keep us safe. And as a result, we oftentimes stay stuck in past experiences, in past limiting beliefs, and things that were hardwired into you as a young child. But today is the day that you will allow yourself to move on from your past. Today is the day that you take charge and live the life that you were destined to live, to share your gifts and talents with this world. That is why you were placed on this earth. It is not to suffer. It is not to be imprisoned by your past. It's not to keep you stuck because of your past. Today is the day that you release power from your past. Your past will now help guide you in your present and your future so that you can go faster and farther, so that you can inspire those around you to demonstrate that you can truly have whatever it is that you want in your life, that you can truly have whatever it is that you desire in your life. Today is the day you make the decision that the past is no longer going to keep you hostage. Today is a new day. You were given your past for very specific reasons, and that is to learn from and to help others. You were given your past relationships to learn from, to help you identify more of what you want in life. This contrast that exists between your past and what you want is a good thing. This is your guidance system telling you more of what you want in life and more of what you do not want in life, so that you can take steps. Take steps to get what you want, what you desire, what you deserve, and why you were placed here on this earth. Today is the day that you are taking your power and control back. You are a remarkable human. Now is the really fun part. Now you are going to create in your mind the life that you desire. If you are letting go of your past, you need to know where you are headed. What's up ahead of you has to be more desirable than sitting in comfort. Picture in your mind who you want to surround yourself with. How do you feel? What are you doing? Where do you live? How do you spend your days? Visualize so clearly in your mind the life that you want to live. It all starts in your mind. If you can visualize it, you can have it in your hand. The power of visualization is remarkable, and it all starts in your mind, creating mental pictures of the life that you want to live. Mental pictures of the life that you were born to live. You are not meant to suffer. You are not meant to stay stuck. Today is the day of new beginnings. Those mental pictures that you can see so clearly and vividly in your mind are going to come into existence at the perfect time for you. Trust that. If there is something that you see somebody else doing, you also can have that too. You are happy for their success. You are proud of them. You wish them nothing but good things. You can have these amazing, remarkable things in your life. What you're going to find, my friend, that as these things slowly become reality in your life, you are going to dream bigger, and you are going to be able to go farther and faster. It will become much easier for you. You will be able to better identify any resistance in your life and any contrast in your life, and more quickly decide the things that you want in your life and the things that you do not want in your life. Because of your daily practice and commitment to motivation, positive thinking, meditation, quieting your mind, you are inspiring those around you. You are letting go of the past. You no longer see it in a negative light, but it was a time and a place that is now serving you to live a more fulfilled life, to have bigger and better things, to have more fulfilling relationships, to be able to dream bigger. You are letting your past go. You will no longer harbor resentments, ill will, anger, frustration for people and things that have wronged you. You are letting them be free, like a bird flying away. You wish it well, you're grateful for the experience, but you are ready to move on. And you have everything that you need to move on. It's already within you. It's not in another person. It's not in material possessions. It's not being in a different location. It is already inside of you. In fact, you can feel these beautiful images of the life that you desire coming into existence. You can feel the exhilaration and the excitement and the joy and the zest. You are so excited to wake up every single day to make your visions a reality. And you can already feel what it feels like to have them in your existence, in your hand right now. That is the key to manifesting, visualizing it and feeling it before it has even come into existence. Now that you can feel these things in your life, these relationships in your life, I want you to ask yourself, what does it mean to me now? What does having all these things come to fruition mean for me now? What's next for me? You are already living the life that you desire. You are so creative and powerful. The past is in the past. It has served a function, but you have now released it. You find yourself compelled to come back to this meditation when the past gets a grip on you. You know you have the power to release it. You have the most amazing life ahead of you. And it all starts with you setting your intention. You are placed on this earth to share your gifts with the world and live an amazing life. Trust that, my friend. If we are not friends on Instagram, make sure you come over and say hello.